Alright, so let's just talk about Jasmycoin real quick. We are going to be talking about this RXI. A lot has changed since our last video. We're going to be looking at Jasmycoin on the daily time frame. As you can see, the price of Jasmy is now trading in a confirmed bullish pennant, and the potential breakout to the upside is very close. We even approached the upper trend line, but we're unable to break above it and flip it into a support. So we're going to be looking at this Jasmy price chart on the daily time frame. We're going to be talking about a lot of stuff here, like seriously. And yeah, so we're going to be looking at the BTC dominance as well as the BTC price chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should expect. Once again, the reason why I do show you guys this chart is more like a reminder, you understand. So Jasmy on CoinMarketCap, the price of Jasmy is currently trading at around 0.02069. We are down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Our trading volume has continued to climb up to the upside, which is something nice. This calls for a celebration, like seriously. Sooner or later, we are going to hit $1 billion trading volume, $2 billion, even $10 billion in total trading volume. So very soon it's going to happen. Hold your horses very well, guys. So if you're paying attention to the fear and greed index, we are currently at extreme greed, which is 76. We closed yesterday with extreme greed 76. Today we are currently at 76 as well. So hopefully we will close this week with extreme greed and begin the next week with extreme greed. So I'm looking forward to that, like seriously. Now let's just talk about Jasmy real quick. There's something very important I want to show you guys on this daily RSI. Now, if you notice the breakout of this previous pattern right here, the breakout of Jasmy momentum, RSI momentum on this previous pattern got a pump of almost 80%. That is 79%. And that pump, let's go back to the chart now so that I can show you guys what I just discovered. That same month, that same period, we got 215% pump on the price of Jasmycoin. Now, let me take you back once again. When we got the breakout was February 8, 2024, and the RSI pumped almost 80%. Now, that same February 8, 2024, the price of Jasmy rose from that level all the way to 250, as in the price of Jasmy pumped over 200% to the upside, and the pump stopped February 21st. That was when the correction for the RSI started as well. That was when the correction for this RSI started, February 21st, as you can see over here. Now, the thing is, we've gotten the breakout once again, and I told you guys times without number before the breakout even happened. I told you the moment we are getting that breakout, the price of Jasmy is going to go ballistic, is going to go parabolic, and the RXI as well is going to move all the way close to 100%, which is more like the top for the RSI momentum. Now, here's the thing. The projection for this breakout is likely to be around 92% pump. Remember, we got 79% pump here, and we got almost over 200% pump on the price of Jasmycoin. Now, imagine if we get this 92% pump, then we are likely to be expecting close to more than 200% pump once again from where the current price of Jasmy is, which is 0.02064. I'm currently on the daily time frame. We have 7 hours 19 minutes for this daily candle to close. So the moment we are getting that massive pump is going to surpass this our price target right here, which is around 0.025 and also 0.028. Now, on this weekly time frame chart, if you paid attention, now let's just go back to this chart real quick. The moment Jasmy is breaking out of this zone, the zone between 0.028 and also 0.025, the moment we are breaking out of that zone, I think we will begin to make our way all the way to this price zone right here, which is around 0.038 and also 0.050, which is 3 cents to 5 cents. The moment we are flipping that 5 cent zone into a support, Jasmy price is going to go all the way to 8 cents. From the pattern I just showed you guys from the RSI, the projection pump for Jasmycoin by the time we successfully flip the zone between 0.028, 0.025 into a support, the projection pump is likely to be over 200%. Remember, the momentum, the Jasmy RSI has already broken out of the trend line. We've already gotten some pump, some level of pump. Now, if we are to even get over 200% pump from the current 2 cents we are currently trading, it's going to take us all the way to 8 cents. And the moment, whatever happens, the moment we get to that 8 cents, we might experience some rejection there. But the moment we are flipping 8 cents into a support, then Jasmy price is going to go ballistic all the way to 12 cents, as you can see over here. So anything can happen. Hold your horses very well. The real move hasn't even started, like seriously. The total 3 altcoin market cap, excluding Ethereum and BTC, hasn't even broken the previous all-time high. The previous all-time high for the overall altcoin, excluding Ethereum and BTC, was around $1.1 trillion. We haven't even broken all-time high. We are still trading, consolidating around near this our significant support zone, which is around $643 billion. So the next potential resistance zone is likely to be around $787 billion. That's a minor resistance zone. The major resistance could be, I don't think $832 billion is going to be a major resistance. So the altcoin market is going to go ballistic very, very soon. Now, let's talk about the BTC dominance real quick. If you're paying attention, the dominance has corrected to 54%. I told you guys in several videos that the moment we start seeing the dominance correct, that is an indication that we are moving, or we are in the early stage of the altcoin season. Because the dominance is more, the BTC dominance is more like an indication to guide you or to tell you when we are in an altcoin season. We are already correcting. The moment we break down from this rising wedge, this upward channel, the moment we break down from it and close 2 weekly candles below it, just forget it. The BTC dominance will continue to fall. And I've given you guys the potential price target already, which is around 52%, which is the early stage of the altcoin season. 52% is the potential price target for the BTC dominance. Another price target is 47%, which is when our altcoin bag is going to be going ballistic. The final price target I have here is 42%. If it goes below 42%, the better for our altcoin bag. Like seriously. The market the real move hasn't started, please. It's yet to begin. Because if you're paying attention to this chart, let me repeat it once again. After the 2012 halving, we got almost 9,000% pump. After the 2016 BTC halving, we got almost 3,000% pump. After the 2020 halving, we got almost 600% pump. Now, just imagine what will happen after this 2024 halving. The pump is going to go parabolic. Now, imagine if you sold before the real move started. You wouldn't really forgive yourself, like seriously. If you watch my previous video, I gave this zone specifically in the video. I think the video I posted yesterday. I told you guys BTC is likely to correct from where it's currently trading, and the correction is likely to happen to around $67,000. I specifically mentioned $67,000 for you guys in that video, which was this zone, which is the current price BTC is currently trading $67,000. I told you guys the most obvious potential support area if BTC should continue to correct from the 72k it got to, is going to be 67. That was what happened. Feel free to chat me up on WhatsApp. The link to chat me up will be in the description of this video, the first link in the description of this video, and to gain access to our premium cryptocurrency signal group. In this group, we post both stealth launch signals, DeFi signals, spot trading signals, futures trading signals, all manners of signals. This was our previous win. I think we made over 400% profit technically, close to 500% profit in Pepe long trade we took few days ago. And yeah, so that's that for that. Feel free to chat me up if you want to join our private group and to partake in our signals. You understand? We don't just post futures trading signals, we post stealth launch signals as well. This is one of the stealth launch. We had over 2,000% in profit from this stealth launch. This one, let's check. Yeah, so this one we got almost 4,500% profit from this stealth launch. This was when the signal was posted. You get. So feel free to join us if you want to. And the link to chat me up to gain access to our premium group will be in the description of this video. This was the BTC short trade we took, and we exited in good profit, as you can see over here. What we do in our private group is high probability setup. We don't just trade anyhow. We trade high probability trades, signals we know are going to come out 70%, 80% of the time profitable. You understand? That's what we trade. So chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to join our private group. The moment BTC is breaking $72K and flipping it into a support, then we are going to go ballistic. I've said that times without number. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest the amount you can afford to lose. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. As always, peace out.